Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car GPS dash camera. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, no N-name_null dash cam. Specifications. Brand name, no N-name_null. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. Battery life, 24 hours. View angle, 170 degrees. OEM no, M10. Number of lenses, 2. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 3-5. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 128GB. Video code, H.264. The item number 2 is aliexpress car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Interface, microSD/TF. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 64GB. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Blue Vito 12-inch car mirror. Specifications. Brand name, Blue Vito. Chipset manufacturer, Spectrum SL8541E. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Pixels, 800 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 12 inches. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.